What's up, guys? It's my 99 Taffeta White CRV 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive. This is a clean title, one owner vehicle, in good shape. These are the original headlights staying there. Shiny Honda. Runs well, drives well, clean title. I smogged it today. It's hard to find these in 5-speed manual 4-wheel drives. They're getting hard to come by. They're like Civics, most of them are ragged on and ruined and abused. Runs super good. I smogged it today. Has the original floor mats, dark gray interior, and then of course the 5-speed. Just a clean overall good example of a CRV. It's hard to find these like this anymore. Has it's like a rear cargo cover thing. It says CRV on it. Has like a skid plate in the front. This thing's all original paint. I can't find any evidence of accidents or repaint, but this would make a good little car for someone. The first car, commuter, whatever you want to do with it. Even has the original front windshield with 250,000 miles on her. It's cool in itself. Trying to think. This thing, other than the radio not working and it has some seepage from the oil pan, I'd say this thing is solid. I'll show you guys under the hood. I've driven it 100 miles today alone, so I tested the reliability of it. The timing belt was done, 8K miles ago. Vins. It has the original motor trans, no oil leaks, seepage here and there, but nothing crazy. It's really clean. Drives good. I did a new battery today as well, just because the old one was weak. Like I said, I just smogged it. This thing's ready to go. Price is going to be $3,500. Spencer's Hondas on Instagram. Hondas with a Z. I gotta remind you guys on every video that my Instagram was taken down. So feel free to like, subscribe, follow, and then follow me on Instagram as well. Always appreciated. Thank you.